Hi folks, today on Schroeder TV we'll be talking about the exciting new way that you can build a customized hydraulic filter solution right from your computer. Before we get started, feel free to subscribe to us here on YouTube and click that little bell for notifications so you don't miss any tips and tricks from the hydraulic experts at Schroeder Industries.
To start building your state-of-the-art filtration solution, simply visit schroederindustries.com and select the Products tab at the top of your screen. From there, and since we'll be building a hydraulic and lube filter for your application, you're going to want to select the Hydraulic and Lube Filters category from the Products page. Once there, we bring you to a page that displays our vast hydraulic filter offering from Schroeder Industries, where this can be overwhelming if you're not quite sure how this fits the mold of your machinery. The online product builder takes our foolproof expertise and leaves our users with a Schroeder solution specific to their application. Simply click the product builder icon to start honing in on a solution for you. The first option is your mounting type. Does your application require an in-tank filter, a top or bottom ported filter, or something else? Simply select what you're looking for and move on to the flow. The flow option gives you a range to enter in either gallons per minute or liters per minute. Assess your application and add in the appropriate flow rate your machine operates. If you are unsure of how to determine the flow rate of your system, refer to the factory supplied owner's manual or email us at sisales@schroederindustries.com or call us at 724-318-1100. The pressure option also gives you a range to enter in either PSI or bar. Assess your application and add in the appropriate pressure rating your machine will strain a filtration solution. If you are unsure of how to determine the pressure rating of your system, refer to the factory supplied owner's manual or email us at sisales@schroederindustries.com or call us at 724-318-1100. Finally, select your desired filter rating in microns. At Schroeder, we have published documents that relate the most valuable hydraulic component in your machine with the manufacturer's recommended ISO cleanliness code. From there, that code directly relates to the micron rating for consideration. And there you have it. The brand new tool is provided to you from Schroeder Industries. We'll now walk you through a sample application so you can see the magic working firsthand. We know that typically for an application of this sort, it requires a base ported filter, so we will select base ported from the mounting type configurations. In working with the experts at Schroeder, we have discovered that hydraulic oil flows at the rate of 80 GPM in this machine, so we'll leave the range at that specifically. We have also discovered the machine puts close to 2,800 PSI on hydraulic components, so we'll fill that in as so. The last thing for consideration is the micron rating. We have discovered that the MVP component, the one doing the heavy lifting, are the solenoid and pilot operated valves. In referencing Schroeder's online filtration pocket guide L4139, we see that the manufacturer specified ISO code for solenoid and pilot operated valves correlates to 25 micron filtration. Once all the data comes together, you are left with a count of options suitable for your particular application. Folks can then visit any of the results and select the catalog pages to determine the specifics, i.e. gauges, media type, porting, etc. There you have it. This has been a review of Schroeder's all-new online filter product builder. We hope that you found this video useful. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at sisales@schroederindustries.com or call us at 724-318-1100. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.